Okay, so we have an equation here which is y equals x squared plus 2x minus 3, and it's asking for the zeros. Remember, the zero is where the graph passes through the x-axis. The thing is that we don't have a graph here, so we have to open up our Desmos calculator and type in our equation exactly the way it's given to us, x squared plus 2x minus 3, and then we have a graph. So from here, if we remember that the zeros are where they cross on the x, this is the x-axis, click on the graph and it usually gives it to you. As you can see, they're lightly gray. If you click on it, they give you the answer right here, which is -3. And this one, it is a +1. So we go here and let's type our answer choices, which is -3 and +1. These are the zeros for this graph that we just put on Desmos.
Way to go, Mark.